EddyEd to guest. It's EddyEd TV. Welcome back to another video, baby. Back with another video. I'm doing the official spicy versus spicy taste test. Oh, it's I'm doing a video from CSnacks. Chris Snacks. He pretty much tastes a whole bunch of snacks that you never heard of or that you don't usually see normally. And he's doing Popeyes versus KFC spicy chicken sandwich, I guess. So let's hop straight into it. No more talking, no more whopping or clocking. Let's get to watching. Did that rhyme? No? Drop it down in the comments. Bam!
We go into KFC, it's CSnacks and Daym drops, and we go into KFC. Yo, that's wild right now, bro. They said they didn't have the fries, but they got the chicken sandwiches. But the chicken sandwiches, even on the sign is still up there that they sold out. That's crazy. Even Popeyes had the commercial online saying we'll be back. And they got, that's crazy. So basically, spots that still have inventory left, I guess when they run out, they're not getting no more shipments is what they're saying. So certain Popeyes locations that still have the sandwich, they have it until they're done, and then when they're done, no more shipments. If I was Popeyes, I'll be like, yo, give me $30. Give me $30. Yeah. You can charge whatever you want right now. Right now? You can charge whatever you want. Yo! Yo, but I kind of wanted that pie. Banana. You was dancing that up. I kind of wanted that pie. Yeah. Well, is there another one around? There's one in Southington. You want to hit that up? Yeah. All right, let's go there. Yeah. I'll hold you down. Yeah. We go into KFC. I it all up. When you saw us go to Popeyes, you saw us pick it up. He has the actual chicken sandwich inside. Yeah, they ain't got it that well to have them like, yo, let's get them inside. And I swear I will go up in there. I will tornado kick everybody in there.
Wait.
I will tornado kick everybody in there.
Yeah.
When's the last time you had the KFC apple pie?
Stick to you get.
I wouldn't rock with this, baby. Okay, never mind. Yeah.
Hey, dudes from New York, y'all know how we talk and how we rock over there, you know what I mean? Shut your mouth, dog. What you staring at?
Not to no disrespect, KFC, but yo, man.
We gonna skip.
Anyway, it's love, man. That's all it's love, yo. Thank you, guys. So yeah. Damn, that's messy, B. They gave notes about this one. Yo, you got that Nashville. You got the whole entire Nashville going on. Dang, son. This is dumb, wild, sloppy. Yo, show me. It's a sloppy toppy, yo. Sloppy toppy. That's that Nashville, son. That's that Nashville all on my bun, son. Pop the hood up on all on my bun, yo. I'm gonna drop the top on the convertible box, son. Sunshine. It's up in there. Shots all day. Yeah, shots all day. Shots fired. Alright, so this is the Popeyes joint. That's the spicy joint? That's spot. That's that spicy That's that spot right here, yo. That's that spot. Now, yo, I reviewed the spicy joint a couple months prior on my channel before anything even blew up with the Popeye chicken sandwich. Yeah, I know. So they got on deck. So they got that. I'm hitting this joint right here. Yeah. You ready? Yeah. Oh my goodness, I got a wild burp in that joint, yo. Alright. Like this is it wet. Wet. So wet, son. It's wet. Hey, it's wet. It's wet. Come on, let's hold it. Hey. Come on, let's hold it. Hey. I don't even know the word. It's wet. Let's go in. Wet.
Tell me what you talking about. What they talking about, son? How the sandwiches doing? They good? Oh, it's spicy.
Yeah, they got the water. Yeah, mine's a little watery because I can't taste spicy like that. Bro, not for nothing. And no homo and pause. You might want to hit it from the back. You want to hit it from the back? We tag team the show.
Pause, son. Pause. Authorized. clarified their statement just now, I would have had to shut this video off right now, 100%, with the lights off. You feel me? Well, let's continue with the video.
So, tag team, back again. Back in the tag back again. You would too if you knew what the thing would do to you.
What?
Alright, so this is the Nashville KFC. Get it from the back, dog. Get it from the back. I hope I get to take a look at there. I got a little pickle. Popeyes shit. Shit different. It do. It do. It's different. Wow. I mean, that's no good. It's spicy. Popeyes is topical. Yo, D, I already got what I got to say right now with this KFC. Let's go. Yo, break it down with on the rip. That Popeyes spicy chicken sandwich is much more spicy. I coughed.
Let's go back. Hold on.
It's much more spicy. I coughed. I coughed because it was much more spicier. Whatever sauce that is, that Chipotle. I don't know if it's Chipotle. What is it? They just say spicy. They don't really say. Yo, Popeye get dumb wild with the spice. Yeah, it was really good, and more hotter. Now that Nashville chicken sandwich.
He said.
It is. It catch you right here. Yeah. Popeyes catch you right here. Topical. It's not over the lips. Yo, straight up, it tastes like. That uncle that be on the grill in the backyard whipping them work. That got his own that we whipping them work. He be in them slides with ashy feet. No. He be in slides with ashy feet. With the ashy feet, and he got a spatula on the side hanging like it's a holster. That's what the uncle do, yo. And then he got his own hat. Exactly. He got his own apron. He got his last name on. Facts. Let me tell you something, yo. And they eat. You know what? They always have a container. They have a container of their own barbecue sauce. Always have their own. That's what this is.
Barbecue.
Sauce in there. Yo, wow, man, this is a good versus to do. Yeah, I gotta say though, taste-wise, that Popeyes hit different. It do. You just can you know what it is, dude? Popeyes has an official grease still within their chicken. Yeah. It's not overpowering, it's not overbearing, it's not too crazy. But the way that batter hits with that grease, I'm telling you, fries it up. Right. Real crisp, right? You get that crisp. You get a bite, you still get juiciness from the chicken itself. And then when you go spicy, like we went spicy, it get freaky.
Chill out.
Yo.
Chill out.
It's what it is. Like I said, when you taste it, I don't know if y'all taste it. I always taste it. I taste a little butter action. Yes, on the grill, show.
There's some butter action.
Now, if you had the tender along with the sauce of that spicy Popeyes and the sauce of Nashville, they're going without the brioche. I think KFC might try to put them in a two-piece. They're trying to put them in a hunk. They're trying to hold them. But this right here, honestly, not the original of the two. The spicy version of KFC versus Popeyes is the best comparison chicken sandwich. Yes, it is. Because it's extremely hard to decipher who truly won this one. They're so close. Only because they're both giving off like a flagrant foul on your taste buds. That's it. A flagrant foul on your taste buds. That's it.
Flagrant fouls. That's hard.
Put both of them in a penalty box. Yeah, that's it. Yo, you absolutely right, man. That would be a good. They both got to the penalty box. Both of them. They sitting there bleeding their eyes together like. Yeah.
Okay. CSnacks. Hey. Popeyes though, I have tried the Popeyes sandwich, not the spicy one, but I have tried the regular chicken sandwich, and they're right. Like there's just taste of the oil. Like you know the Popeyes chicken by the oil, the oil stain taste that it has on that chicken. Like it's a distinct oil taste. Like you taste it, almost like you can't like when it hits you when you bite it, and you know you eat it. It's like this aftertaste of oil, sort of, like that you can taste. I don't know how to describe it, but yeah, the brioche bun is buttered, pretty good. CSnacks, man. That dude, he tries a whole bunch of stuff. So if you like watching people eat different new stuff or eat snacks that haven't come out, that's your guy. CSnacks is the Duke. He knows the Hodge twins too. Don't recommend any young kids watch the Hodge twins because they get a little, you know, it's adulterated. Okay, they actually have their own channel for adults. But anyways, that's besides the point. Let me know what you thought about this Popeyes chicken sandwich. If you tried it already, if you have not, it's probably too late, you know, at this point. But I thought it was regular. I haven't had a spicy one. Okay, just a regular chicken sandwich. I thought it wasn't really anything special to it. It did taste good. I'm not saying it tasted bad. I'm just saying the hype made it seem like it was something extraordinary. It's not really extraordinary. It's a good chicken sandwich, nice crisp to the bite. But as far as, you know, something different or something that we haven't seen in chicken sandwich before, you're not going. It's nothing spectacular. But nevertheless, if it's still out, go get you one. It's probably good as going out because it might give you high blood pressure after like 2 sandwiches. I don't know. But that's it for the video. Make sure you like this video before you exit and subscribe if you're new. It's free. I'm not gonna charge you. But until next time, EddyEd TV.